Let fx equals 2x square plus 7x plus 8 upon 1 plus x, 2 plus x whole square. Express fx in partial fractions. Okay, so this is going to be a upon 1 plus x plus bx plus c. No, it's not that case, sorry. Plus b upon 2 plus x plus c upon 2 plus x whole square. This is a case of linear repeated roots. Okay, so now I am going to take LCM of the right hand side to cancel out the denominator. So we'll get a times 2 plus x whole squared plus b times 2 plus x, 1 plus x, plus c times 1 plus x. The denominator would be now the same as the left-hand side. This is the common denominator, the lowest common denominator. Okay. And now we're going to cancel the denominators on both sides and end up with 2x squared plus 7x plus 8 equals a times 2 plus x whole squared plus b times 2 plus x, 1 plus x, and plus c times 1 plus x. Okay. Now, if I want to make this 0 and this 0, that means I'll have to replace x with -2. So when x is -2, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and we should be able to get the value of c. So substitute 2 in place of x everywhere and get the value of c, because a and b will get eliminated because they get multiplied with 0. I'm going to just look at the answer and give you the answer. It should be -2. So when x is 2, you should get c is equals to -2. Okay. Next, if I would like to make these 0, then x should be equals to -1. And when x is equals to -1, you should be able to get the value of a. Replace every x with -1 and you will get a equals 3 after all your working. And when now I need another value of x to get c. So now we can take x is equals to 0, take a very simple case, and the simplest case is x equals to 0. And we will have to substitute the value of a that we got and also the value of c that we got. And this will give us the value of b. So let's see what we get. So when x is 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and the left-hand side is 8. So I get 8 equals, a is 3. So 3 times 4 would be 12. Plus b is what we're trying to find. And we'll have a 2 times 1, which is 2. So 2b. And then c is -2. And x is 0. So this would be -2. So we get an 8 equals 2b plus 10. So -2 is equals to 2b. So b is equals to -1. So b is coming out to be -1. So we have our partial fraction now. Replace the a with 3, b with -1, and c with -2. So rewrite the fraction as 3 by 1 plus x plus -1 by 2 plus x. And you can even write -1 over 2 plus x. And then -2 over x, 2 plus x whole square, or you may write -2 over 2 plus x whole square. Okay. I meant you can write -2 upon 2 plus x whole square like this. Okay. So first part is done. In part B, we have to hence obtain the expression of the expansion of fx in ascending power of x up to and including the term x squared. Okay, so let's do that. So for part B, it's 3 and then send the denominator up, power minus 1, then minus 1, 2 plus x whole power minus 1, and then minus 2, 2 plus x whole power minus 2. Okay, first we'll have to change this into 1 and change this into 1 by taking 2 common. So this stays the same. This becomes, when you take 2 common, it becomes 2 and its power is negative 1. And then 1 plus x over 2, power minus 1. And then minus 2. Again, when we take 2 common, it gets a power of negative 2. And then 1 plus x over 2, power minus 2. So 3, 1 plus x power minus 1. Then negative half, 1 plus x over 2 power minus 1. And then this simplifies to minus 2 over 4, which is minus half again. So 1 plus x over 2 minus 2. Now we're going to apply binomial expansion on each of these brackets. Okay, so it will be, we need to go till x squared. So 3 times 1 plus negative 1 times x. And then this bracket close. Then negative half 1 plus minus 1 x by 2 plus minus 1 upon 2 factorial x by 2 whole squared. Excuse me to take care my kid slamming the door in the background. And then minus half 1 plus minus 2 times x by 2 plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial times x by 2 whole square, bracket close. Okay, so now carefully find each of these terms. This would be plus x squared, bracket closed, minus half 1 minus x over 2, and then plus 1 over 4x squared, and then minus half 1 minus x over 2. I'm sorry, it's just minus x, not x over 2. It's 1 minus x plus 3 by 4x squared. Okay, now what you'll do, you will expand the bracket and then add the like terms, add the constant to constant, x terms to x, and x squared terms to x, and your final answer would be 2 minus 9 over 4x and plus 5 over 2x squared.